Hello friends, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Salam, Kem Cho. So today I am going to display my another range of small box packing shirts. This is the range today which I am going to display is the range that in the whole India, listen to me again, in the whole India no one can give that range in that price. That quality can't be given by anyone, because this range is displayed in high quality showrooms, high quality brands. You can I will not say anything about my range. You will see the designs, each and everything will speak itself. So now let's begin. I will take you to my range. Cut off. Friends, so the wait is over. The range is of small box, and the whole range today I am going to display is printed shirts in small box packing. So the price you can contact us on WhatsApp, or you can call us, or you can see this range online on our catalog from www.batsonshirts.com, or you can download our mobile app, that is Batson Shirts. It is available on Play Store. I will request the cameraman to show the designs of these. Our new range exact. The name range is exact. It is the exact by Batson. So we have three range in this small box, that is Batson Exact, Batson Prime and Batson Pro. So you can see the Pro range, the Exact range, and we have the Prime range in this also. This is our Prime range. All these three range are available in small box. The sizes available in this range is medium, large and extra large, that is M, L and XL. For price you can contact us on WhatsApp, as I told you. If you don't want to contact us on WhatsApp, or you don't know how to contact on WhatsApp, or you don't know how to download the mobile app, you can simply just give a missed call on our mobile number, which will be displaying on screen, 8800498593. As you can see, all designs are very beautifully stitched, very beautifully finished, very all this range is very cool range for the casual stuff. It is highly demanded by the youngsters, highly demanded by young people. It is very in demand. That's why we made only three sizes in this, M, L and XL. This kind of range is available in the good brands, as I told you, in Zara, in any other brand you can see. So this range is 100% pure cotton. The whole range is 100% pure cotton. As you can see the fabric from the near, I will show you the piece. You can see how beautiful the stitching is. You can see the cuff. No one will show you from this transparency. You can see the buttons. Each and everything is very finely stitched. As you can see the label. It is a very cool range. It is highly demanded in summers. Many customers from south demand this range. Alright. So without wasting any time, you can call us, WhatsApp us, or give a missed call on 8800498593. Here I will end the video. Please comment down below that how are the designs, how is the look of the designs, or for any sort of queries you can contact us online. Each and everything is available with us. Thank you so much friends. In the next video I will try to give my level best and more best varieties as per my will, as per my each and everything. So thank you so much. Keep watching Batson Apparels and stay connected. Thank you.